All right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream. My name is Michael Chu. Today is August 28th, Thursday, 8:50 a.m., which is almost 11 a.m. Eastern time. So market is acting excuse me, surprisingly well with Nvidia earnings not the best. Nasdaq is actually up 0.29%. Dow is down 0.2. S&P is down 0.1. And Nasdaq and New York Stock Exchange volume both are higher. So with the volume higher, depending how the market goes, we want to avoid any distribution day. So if it stays here, then that's good. But if it deteriorates, then we might have a problem. So that's something to be aware of. Let's go to the index. Let's look at QQQ. So again, very tight. Look at it's trying to move out right now. This is very healthy here. It's trying to move out right now. Um, After being really tight here, that's really good job. Let's look at the intraday for a second here. So we did test the intraday low right here, and then we bounced back. So that's actually a good thing because we at least have tested the low for the day, um, and now we're climbing back and trading at the upper range. So this is really good. Again, this is despite Nvidia earnings not kind of miss a little bit. S&P were a similar chart on the intraday, bouncing back as well. Just waiting for the daily chart to load. So this one make new high, very little, right? Very little. But today it continues to make new high. So that looks really good. Um, it's near flat right now. We have Dow here, and you can see Dow giving back a little bit, which is not what we want to see. But yeah, so it's trading at the bottom of the range, but it's still pretty tight on the daily chart. I think I might need to restart the browser because it's very slow right now. Let me just restart it. Is it my, I don't know if it's my browser or the tooling, but anyhow, it's loading now. Okay, so here's Dow. It keep going to new low, so it's definitely weaker than I usually like. So you can see right here, it's just keep going down. So the IWM, same thing, testing the lows here. It's not like a big drop, but you never know, it could turn into a bigger drop. But yeah, so hopefully it'll find support soon. It's giving back as well on the IWM, but the Dow and Russell has been the strongest lately. So today seems like a little bit rotation here with the Nasdaq taking the lead here. So with that being said, we're seeing lots of stock in the tech area surprisingly doing well. Besides Nvidia, but let's take a quick look at Nvidia here. So here, okay, so it give up this morning, but it looks like it's trying to bounce back. Let's just look at the intraday chart here. It's near the 10-day right now. Yeah, so it came down pretty sharp, but it has bounced back to like near the middle point. So in that sense, it's okay. Let's look at Avago here, Broadcom. Well, this one is coming out right now. So that is interesting, right? So again, many tech stocks are actually acting well today despite Nvidia numbers, which And again, Nvidia is bouncing back too. So this is actually very good news. Like because when you have bad news, the market react the opposite. That's a good thing. So I think the kind of give us now AMD kind of didn't it went up, but then it reversed. So I'm not sure this one is not doing as well. So that's the chip area. I mean, there's lots of smaller chip area like okay, let's go to SITM. This one continue to try to break out right now, so that looks pretty good. SMTC. This one is like making new highs right now. So again, there are other chip stocks that are really doing well. So here's Rambus also breaking to new high this morning. So those are the good ones. So we go now. Let's move to the software side. App blowing also making new high this morning. So that looks pretty good here, like new recent high. Palantir is still not moving. So again, there is a few stocks that are not following the general group, so this is one of them that's not. Let's look at Reddit. So this one is also having like it's bouncing 4%, but it's still under a pretty big downtrend line. So that's the problem there. Um, yeah. Uh, let's look at light here. Momentum in the fiber optics. This is doing really well, making new highs this morning. So there is lots of stocks doing well. Let's look at Credo. Credo, wow, look at this V-shaped bounce, right? Like I totally miss it, but it is reporting in 6 days, so that's the only problem there. Still could have risk there. MGNI, this one is just taking off, making new high breakout right here. So I'm liking stocks breaking out right now of like a base like this right now. So that gives me more confidence they might continue. Let me see what else I missed. Yeah. Okay, STX. So the data storage area, this one has really taken off. Like I mean, it just you know haven't done much for a while, and then boom, it took off. MU, Micron. So this one is trying to come out right now. So there's a nice cup handle base. It's trying to move right now. Yeah, looks really good right now. I think I need to possibly get in here. Possibly watch at least watch. Let me see anything I missed here. There's lots of stuff. So feel free to look. Oh yeah, I need to talk about Google. Uh, Google is really strong. I think it's they keep making new highs. That's what I like about it. So here you go, making another high this morning, right here. It looks really good. All right, let's move on. The retail sector, I didn't see too much bounce to it. Let me see SE here. Um, SE, yeah, it's a little bit weak right now. Not bouncing too much at all. So So let's move on. Industrial, we're seeing CLS, FN, VRT, the few that has been pretty strong lately. So let's look at CLS. Here you go, it's bouncing V-shaped bounce. Looks pretty good. FN, this one is definitely a V-shaped bounce. Yeah, apologize for this chart loading slow today. Don't know why. Here you go. Yeah, if it closes, it'll be a new high, new closing high. VRT. It's really slow today. Vortex, this is trying to come out right now. It still has some risk because if you draw a trend line, the top is still below that trend line, but at least it's above the 10-day. So those are on the health side we have ESPR, MDGL. Let's look at ESPR. This one still near highs, looking pretty good. MDGL, this one just continues this run right here, very nice. And then we have SNDX making a big move today on the pullback bounce right here, making new high. Those are pretty strong. On the commodities energy side, I see there's not much movement there, but I do see solar stock trying to bounce back. So here's First Solar. Whether it will work, I'm not sure. It's too early to tell. Shows HLS again trying to bounce back here. I'm not sure it will work. We'll see. It's too early to know that. So on the financial side, we see some of the fintechs moving today. Affirm here trying to come out right now. Very tight action here around 80. So if it can break out there, that would be really nice. Look at SoFi. Very slow loading today. It's trying to bounce back right now. And then I think Upstart is making a big move today, finally coming out the red line there. So that's really good. And then we have Iron also trying to come out as well, making new high, but it's pulled back a little bit. Yeah, so overall, market looks healthy with the growth stocks today. Techs are taking the lead. Let's take a final look at QQQ here. Yeah, it's trying to come out right now, so that looks pretty good. So let's see how this goes, whether the tech will lead the market higher today. That's what we want to see. So thank you all for watching. Have a good day.